Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a title page pretty quickly inside of Microsoft Word. So here we are in Word, and I've got this sort of random text I've generated, and this will be like the content of my paper or whatever I'm writing. All we have to do to put a title page in is come to the Insert tab, click on Cover Page, and we can choose any one of these presets. Personally, I really like this one, the Conservative. It's a lot cleaner, it's great for business use, and it creates these sort of fill-in-the-blank text boxes that you can put your information into. So it automatically fills my name in. I can remove that if I would like. And it's also got an abstract for the document. So you kind of fill these in, style the text a little bit if you would like, but it creates a new page, places it before your document, and puts the fill-in-the-blanks on them. There's also some other ones that are a little bit fancier with formatting that you might want to use for school or something like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to create a title page in Microsoft Word. If you've got any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.